V8 sound card.
Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel Pamilyang Merida. And by the way, my name is Chito, and for today's video, it's unboxing with our order from Lazada. And I'm pretty sure maganda itong produkto na to kasi we will check this out if maganda ba itong produkto. And guys, I don't have the actually this product is V8 sound card. Actually guys, I don't have the sound card, and I have only the microphone condenser. Okay, so right here I will unbox the sound card, which is V8. So tara, let's go. So ito guys, maganda itong sound card kasi it has a lot of functionality, and I'm pretty sure it's good and it's affordable, especially sa mga beginners or sa mga baguhan pa na gumagamit ng microphone or condenser. I'm pretty sure this is the best, the V8 sound card. Okay, so we'll open this one. Thank you so much pala sa courier dito na JNT. So may shout out sa inyo, and salamat sa pag-deliver dito sa ating lugar, at it has a nice packaging. Okay, so ito guys, so ino-open na natin yung V8 sound card. So at salamat nga pala sa from Lazada, and if I have a concern about this product, if it doesn't work, kung hindi ito magpa-function guys, I have the contact number right here. Okay, so pwede po natin isauli ito kung sakaling hindi ito magpa-function. Pero as of now, we will do unboxing. So mag-unbox lang po tayo. So in my next video, I will set up this one kung paano po magpa-function ang V8 sound card with condenser. Okay, so eto guys, tutuloy natin yung pag open ng ating V8 sound card. Ito guys, may UP ng kaunti, pero hindi ko alam kung ito ba ay damage or whatever. So, i-check na lang natin sa loob ng box ng ating. So, ito guys, it comes with the wire, okay, 3.5 jack with, ito po ay kukonect siguro sa, hindi ko alam. Okay, so, and the USB jack and this one, okay. So it comes with 3 cables, okay. So tatlong cable po yung free niya guys. So ito na guys, so this is it. So as opening the V8 sound card, wala na pong gas-gas guys or whatever damage dito. So ito po yung mga port na isasaksak natin guys. So yun guys, yung ating pag-unboxing ng ating V8 sound card, and I'm pretty sure it will work. And in my next video, I will teach you on how to set up this V8 sound card. And guys, if you are new to my channel, just consider to hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to like, share, comments, and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget also to press the bell button below para updated ka sa lahat ng video ko. And that's all. God bless and see you in my next video. That's all. Bye-bye.